Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your PlayStation 5 in the safe mode menu so you can troubleshoot your PlayStation. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if you are having error codes with your PlayStation 5 or it's crashing or not loading, go ahead and try launching it in safe mode. So I can see my PlayStation 5 is in rest mode indicated by the orange light right here. We need to completely turn this off. So I'm going to turn this on, and then I'm going to wait for it to fully power on. I can see the blue light, and then it should turn white. And then I'm going to hold down the power button and manually turn off my PlayStation 5. Now you can do this in the power settings menu, and you can go to turn off. Otherwise, you can hold down the power button. You will hear one beep, and then 3 seconds later, you will hear another beep. Now, while my PlayStation 5 is turned off, I'm going to plug in my controller, and we will need this to operate the safe mode menu. Now we have to plug it in, otherwise it won't work in the safe mode menu. Now our PlayStation 5 is turned off. There is no blinking light over here, and it's completely turned off. Now I'm going to go to the power button once again. I'll hold this down. We will hear one beep, and then we will hear another beep like 5 to 10 seconds later. So I heard a second beep. I'm going to let go. Then go to your controller and press the PlayStation button. And this should be teal now, and you can use the D-pad here to operate the safe mode menu. Now there's a bunch of different things that we can actually use to fix our PlayStation 5 in safe mode. If you are having resolution problems where you get a black screen, try going to option number 2, change video output, and change the resolution on your TV so it matches the PlayStation 5. Then we can go to update system software, and we can update the system software using the internet. We can restore the default settings on the PlayStation, and this one is probably going to be the most used for you. Then we can go down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. If you are having any kind of loading issues with your PlayStation 5 games, rebuild the database and clear the system software cache. Then we have reset PS5. This will delete all data and users from the PlayStation 5 and return it to like the original settings. So you will have to type in an email address and password and download all your games again. But this should fix most of your problems. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.